Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to verify your Discord account. After you've created a Discord account, verify it to prove you're not a robot. Furthermore, verifying your Discord account is beneficial for security purposes as it enables you to set up 2FA or two-factor authentication. Normally, Discord prompts you to verify your account immediately. If you had complications with the verification email, send it again by choosing your platform. Verify using the Discord mobile app. On your mobile device, open the Discord app. In the lower right corner of the screen, tap the user profile icon. And tip, if you don't see the bottom icons, tap the hamburger menu icon at the top of the screen. Then, on the next screen, tap Settings and click Account. In the Account section, next to Verify Your Email, tap the Verify button. And then, tap the Resend Email button. Now, open the email sent by Discord and tap the Verify Email button. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.